It's definitely time for a party, y'all. Join Lewis Lamb's Gentle Lamb Experience for the Lewis Lamb birthday celebration. If you love dancing, having fun, good music, and a great time for the entire family, you must be a part of this celebration. Happening Friday, February 6, 2015, 7 p.m. until at Reno's Wine Cellar, 28301 Highway 249 in Tomball, Texas, 77375. To reserve a table, there must be 4 people per table, so go ahead and reserve yours right now by calling 281-255-0042. The birthday celebration will continue February 7, 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. at the Refuge Bar and Bistro, 24 Waterway Avenue, The Woodlands, Texas, 77380. For more information, call 713-389-5674. To know what's going on with Lewis Lamb's Gentle Lamb Experience, go ahead and like us on Facebook at The Gentle Lamb Experience, or log on to www.gentleLambExperience.com.